MEIHONG solar-powered flagpole light. This looks really nice on our flag. Everything you see here is included in the box. The LED light, the solar panel that connects to it, the nuts, bolts, and tools, and ground stakes if you choose to use them. Just focus on the instructions for the single color light. This is how the setup would be on a nice thick flagpole. Here's a quick view of the light levels. Here's the light when it's off, the light at its brightest, and the light at its lowest. This piece is only used around a thick flagpole. We installed it on the wall just below the flag. Hook it all together and make sure you use galvanized wood screws. Turn it on and voila! Let the sun charge the light. And it's beautiful at night. Thanks for listening and watching our video. If you like what you see, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.